Was a Friday night, she knew I came for her by myself. And even though I tried to overlook my spies and trust these lies, still I was in denial. She said just stay while the games begun. Somehow find the words to ask her to be mine, but she was of a doubtful kind. And on that fateful night, I held her hand and walked out of sight. Pulled her up close to me and whispered in her ear, take a chance with me. What